kindergartners, it's your Splash team.
Hi guys.
And today we're doing lesson 2 called Fruits and Veggies for Me. I'm Miss Middleton.
I'm Mr. Kevin.
Mr. Winchell.
So today we're going to be learning about fruits and vegetables and healthy foods that we should be eating every day. What is your favorite fruit or vegetable to eat? Great. Well, we have some show and tell for you, and I'm going to show you a fruit or a vegetable and tell you a little bit about it. So this first one I have here is an apple. What color is this apple? Yes, Mr. Kevin?
It's red.
It is red. But did you know that apples come in other colors like green and yellow? And some of them can be more than one color. Apples are a really great source of vitamin C, and we can eat the peel on an apple to give us some fiber. Fiber helps your stomach after you eat food. What kinds of dishes do you like to put apples in, Mr. Winchell?
I like to put apples in my salad.
That sounds delicious. Yes, Mr. Kevin?
I like to dip apples in peanut butter.
Oh, what a great snack, apples and peanut butter.
It's so good.
Mr. Kevin, do you have a fruit or vegetable that you would like to share?
I do. This is my friend. Her name is Kiwi. And little known fact about kiwis, but you can actually eat the peel. It's really good for you. It's probably one of the best parts of the kiwi for you. But if you don't like the peel, that's cool too. Cut it in half, and they're like little bowls. You can take a spoon and just eat them like that. They're so good, and they're so sweet. Do you guys like kiwis?
I love kiwis, and I like to slice them and then put some slices in my lunch to have for a snack.
Yeah, that's a great snack. What about you, Mr. Winchell?
I love kiwi.
Do you like Kiwi?
I do like kiwi.
She's pretty friendly.
Mr. Winchell, do you have a fruit or vegetable you'd like to share and tell us about?
I do. So, boys and girls, I have pineapple. What color is pineapple?
It's yellow.
Yellow, yes. And pineapple grows in warm places like Hawaii, Mexico, South America. And pineapple has lots of vitamin C in it. Any idea what vitamin C does for your body?
I didn't hear it. Tell me.
It keeps us from getting sick, and
Yes.
it fights off all those nasty germs so that we don't miss school and we can keep playing and have fun.
Very good.
All right. The next one I brought are these grapes. What color are these grapes? Mr. Kevin.
They're purple.
Mr. Winchell, what other color do grapes come in?
Grapes can be red, they can be green, they can be a dark blue.
Have you ever had cotton candy grapes?
No.
Have you?
No?
Oh, they're so good. When you go to the store and you're looking for the different colors of grapes, try to find cotton candy grapes. And they taste just like candy there. They're actually really good.
Are they still good for you and nutritious?
Absolutely.
Great. Well, these little purple grapes are full of vitamin C, again, to fight off those germs. And also, they have vitamin K, which is good for your blood, to keep our blood healthy. And they make a great snack. Mr. Kevin, what else did you bring?
I brought my friend Alonzo avocado. And my favorite part about avocados is that they have healthy fats. And this is an example of a really good fat. Now, I do have one question though, and I can't figure it out. What color is this avocado? Does anybody know?
Is it green?
Is it? It is! Oh my gosh! I love the color green. What color is the pit? What color is the pit inside of it?
I think it's brown.
It is brown. Yeah, awesome.
Can we eat the pit?
No, you can't eat the pit. So when you're with your adult, if you cut that, your knife will slide right around that pit. And then when you peel it in half, you can just pop the pit right out. And then you don't eat the peel, you just scoop it out and you eat it. You eat the inside of it, and it's so tasty. I even put just a little bit of salt on there, and it's amazing.
Nice. Mr. Winchell, do you have another fruit or vegetable?
I do. So I brought my favorite vegetable. This guy's name is Buddy Broccoli. Broccoli has lots of vitamin A, lots of vitamin C, some vitamin E. It's called a superfood. Anybody ever heard of a superfood?
No.
Superfoods are foods that have tons and tons of vitamins and minerals. And broccoli is one of the most healthiest foods in the whole wide world. You think broccoli can grow in Michigan?
Yeah.
Yes.
It does, yeah.
I've grown it.
Yeah, I grow broccoli in my garden. So boys and girls, this is Buddy Broccoli.
Now, Mr. Winchell, how do you eat broccoli? Like, do you eat it raw? Do you eat it cooked?
I like it in my salad raw. Some people steam it. You can actually boil it. There's lots of different ways to eat broccoli.
Cool.
We like to put broccoli in our stir fries along with other vegetables and some little bit of meat.
That sounds so good. I'm starving right now.
All right, so here are our friends that we talked about today, our healthy fruits and vegetables. Boys and girls, which one of these fruits or vegetables is the color red? Yep, if you said Andy the apple, you are correct.
Good. All right, boys and girls, which one of these fruits or vegetables is yellow? Yep.
Yeah.
If you said peppy pineapple, you are correct.
Now, boys and girls, which of these vegetables is green and full of healthy fats for you? Yeah, it's the avocado. It's one of my favorites. Okay, now don't tell me that a kiwi is a vegetable, because I'm thinking it's a fruit.
You are correct,
All
Mr.
right,
Kevin.
all right.
It is a fruit.
I can sleep tonight.
Let's put all of our fruits on one side of the table and all of our vegetables on the other side of the table.
That's a great idea.
So an apple, is it a fruit or vegetable?
Fruit?
Okay, put it over there.
How about Buddy Broccoli? Is he a fruit or vegetable?
Oh, vegetable for sure.
And then we have Gordon the grapes, fruit or vegetable?
That's an easy one. Fruit.
Fruit.
How about peppy pineapple? Is he a fruit or vegetable?
He looks just like you.
Oh, he's got to be a
definitely
Is he a vegetable?
Fruit.
Oh, he's a fruit. He does look a lot like you. No, Kimmy Kiwi. She's a fruit for sure. There she goes. Look how fast they are.
Alright, so boys and girls, it's really important to eat lots of fruits and vegetables every day. And when you're eating yours at home or snacking, try to figure out what color they are. Are they a fruit or a vegetable? Here on our table, we obviously need to eat a few more vegetables. Can you think of another vegetable that we could add to our table? What about you, Mr. Winchell?
I would add a nice dark green piece of kale. Kale is my favorite.
Wait, what's kale like?
Kale is kind of like lettuce.
Okay. Do you eat it just like lettuce?
You can eat it raw or you can cook it up.
Cool.
It's very healthy.
What about you? What would you add?
I think I would add some cucumbers.
I like cucumbers too. Now, do you cook cucumbers?
I usually cut them up and put them in a salad.
Yeah,
I like
eat
to
'em raw.
eat them that way,
Me
just
too.
raw out of the garden.
Me too. Now, my personal favorite is kind of like a buddy to broccoli, but it's cauliflower. It's almost the white version of broccoli.
Is that what some students call white broccoli?
Is it? Yeah, I guess. Yeah, it is. I like it whenever I go to a party. There's always the vegetable tray, and sometimes they have a little dip in the middle, and it's always that white one that people are always afraid to eat. But I'm not afraid of them. I'm getting them, and I'm always dipping them in, and then my plate's always filled with the cauliflower for sure.
Excellent. So kindergarten friends, keep making healthy choices. Make sure you're eating all 5 of your food groups and your healthy fruits and vegetables, and make sure you make time to exercise as well.
How many minutes a day? Just so we're sure.
60 minutes of activity a day.
Bam.
60 minutes. We're going to go do some right now, and we will see you next time for
Right.
lesson number 3.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.